The mechanical reinforcement of heat shrink tubing. When people think of heat shrink tubing, they often focus on its electrical insulation or sealing capabilities. In environments where durability, movement, and stress are major concerns, heat shrink offers a simple yet highly effective way to strengthen and protect critical components. Strength where it's needed most. Wires, cables, and connectors are frequent points of stress in electrical and mechanical systems. Movement, vibration, and regular handling can cause wear and tear at these vulnerable spots. Heat shrink tubing reinforces these areas by tightly wrapping and securing them, reducing strain on the internal conductors or joints and extending the life of the connection. For example, at the point where a wire meets a terminal or connector, repeated bending or pulling can lead to fraying or breakage. A layer of heat shrink acts as a support collar, distributing the stress over a larger area and minimizing the chance of failure. Enhanced strain relief. Strain relief is critical in any wiring or cabling system. Without it, wires can be easily pulled out of connectors, solder joints can break, or insulation can be damaged. Heat shrink tubing can be applied directly over connectors, soldered joints, and wire splices to provide added tension resistance. It acts as a buffer between the cable and the stress it encounters, especially in applications subject to frequent movement or vibration. In industrial and automotive settings, where equipment is constantly in motion, this reinforcement plays a key role in ensuring long-term reliability and performance. Flexibility without compromise. Unlike rigid protective materials, heat shrink tubing provides reinforcement while maintaining a degree of flexibility. This is especially important in mobile or compact systems where cables must bend and move without breaking. The tubing adapts to motion without compromising the protected components beneath, balancing flexibility with support. This is what makes it especially effective in robotics, aerospace, and wearable electronics industries, where space is tight and performance demands are high. Protecting soldered and crimped joints. Soldered and crimped joints are essential for strong electrical connections, but they can also be points of mechanical weakness if left exposed. Heat shrink tubing not only protects these joints from corrosion and moisture but also adds physical strength to the connection. The tubing grips tightly to the underlying joint, holding it in place and shielding it from bending, impact, or fatigue. Some varieties of heat shrink come with an adhesive lining that melts and flows during application, further locking the joint in place and creating a bond that's both mechanically strong and environmentally sealed. Versatility across applications. Whether you're reinforcing a USB cable, sealing a marine electrical connection, or strengthening a cable harness, heat shrink tubing delivers dependable mechanical support. It's available in different wall thicknesses, shrink ratios, and material grades to suit everything from delicate electronics to rugged outdoor installations.